Washington, D.C., this is your boy Claudel. Listen, one last dance with Rose in DMV, meaning the chances, guys, you're not going to be able to dance with Rose again in DMV. So we are making it happen where we're going to teach you Kompa class. I've tried my best to give you 3 days workshop, but it was impossible. But I promise you that one class would be totally different. I would change the setting because it's going to be in DMV. We were there in January. The setting this time will be different, where I'm going to put you guys in front of each other like couple to teach you together at the same time instead of doing it individually. So get ready, come learn from the best, Rose and Claudel.